in a 2011 Lexus LS, we just installed the Hamilton upgrade kit for CarPlay in Android Auto. This robust system, designed in Raleigh, North Carolina, is going to put wireless and wired CarPlay in Android Auto right into your factory screen. In this video, I'm going to walk you through quickly the features of CarPlay, what makes the Hamilton kit special, and at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how to pair and set up CarPlay in audio. If you've been sent this video by customer service, it's really important that you watch the part at the end very carefully. Here in CarPlay, you can see what an awesome difference it makes in this vehicle. This is such a long-lasting vehicle, and to have CarPlay on it is so awesome. No matter which music app you use, Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, your songs will automatically show up and you'll have easy access to everything. The same goes for navigation. Whether you use Apple Maps, Google Maps, or Waze, Siri will read your directions. How much better than factory nav?
Starting route to Walnut Creek Amphitheater.
I'll make one important note about this car. This screen is from 2011. It was first developed in about 2007 by Lexus. So that means the technology on this is over 15 years old, really pushing 20 years old. It's a small miracle we can run CarPlay on it. Because our engineers are the best in the world, our system is as robust and as seamless as it possibly can be. The only difficulty you might notice is that this screen is old, and so it does not swipe, okay? This system will not swipe. You can easily navigate by pushing the buttons, moving around, and it will work just fine. But unfortunately for this very, very old screen, it does not support that multi-touch capability required for swiping. It still works great. You can function effortlessly using CarPlay, and folks really love this system. It's such a game changer for the LS. To switch between pages, simply touch the circles at the bottom of the display. You can see that you can easily navigate through CarPlay. Any app with an Apple CarPlay component, whether you use it in your personal or business life, like Audible or WhatsApp for Business, will automatically show up here in CarPlay. This system absolutely works with your factory backup camera. Shifting to reverse will bring up the backup camera, and coming back to park or drive will bring you right back into CarPlay like a brand new car. You can long hold the voice speech button on the steering wheel for 3 seconds to switch back to the factory system, where you won't lose any features. Everything is available under here. You will also be able to keep your AM, FM, and satellite radios, so you don't lose any access to factory features. Long holding that voice speech button for 3 more seconds brings us right back into CarPlay. How awesome is this? We'll have a separate video for Android Auto. We have a full installation video available on our YouTube channel for this car. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company. We appreciate your business.